This is the red line tool that bends it and straightens the axles. Notice this notch here on the end? Well, that's where the axle is inserted in to help you bend the axle into the proper position. This is an example of where the tool fits to straighten the axle. I just have an independent axle and wheel here just to show you where the tool fits. You'll bend the axle in the opposite direction of the unwanted bend in the axle. Just fits right in there against the wheel, and you'll bend it one way or the other depending on the bend in the axle. Here I have a severely bent red line. As you can see, the wheel's bent down. I'm going to use the tool to repair that. Like I said, you take the notch there and you put it in here between the back of the wheel and the body, and you slowly work it up till it's in the proper position, small increments at a time until you get it in the right position. If you go too far, you can bend it back down a little bit. It's that simple.